Hey, what's up, people? Troy here, and in this video, I want to do a Power Lead System AI funnel update and why I feel that some people could really be in trouble. So I encourage you to watch this video through to the end. I'm going to be as honest and as transparent as I possibly can be, and I'm also going to make some suggestions that might help you along as you're trying to build this business or as you're trying to build other opportunities. I'm going to share my experiences and I'm going to share my recommendations. So if you get some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And let's get started. So I'm going to read this update and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about why this is probably going to be a problem for a lot of people. This came from the CEO and founder of the Power Lead System, Neil Guess, and it's a post that he put up probably about an hour or two ago, and it reads from inside the group: if you've been eyeing the all-in package, but the upfront cost felt like too much too soon, good news. Flexible financing is now available. That means you can get everything inside the all-in package right now without having to pay it all up front. What are the pluses? They're saying instant approval, soft pull, no credit score impact, quick 2-minute application, affordable monthly payments, no more waiting, no more budgeting gymnastics, just a clear path to getting exactly what you've been wanting on your terms. Ready to explore your options? Log in and click on the PLS All-In banner. Then click the green button directly above the All-In Purchase button to apply for financing. And then he sent the message out to everyone. Now, again, just please stay plugged into this because I want you to be very well educated. Personally speaking, I love the Power Lead System. I am still a customer. I use it to create marketing funnels. I use it from the emails that promote in the back office. I use it for all those things, but I'm no longer an affiliate, and I was an affiliate for years. Personally speaking, I've had, you know, 20, 25 signups per month. And the problem that I had back then is the same problem that a lot of people are experiencing right now. And that is two things. Number one, I believe as great as the PLS AI funnel is, it doesn't incorporate all of the Power Lead System products. Therefore, when people join, they realize quickly that there is a lot to learn. And most people want something automated. They want to set it and forget it. They don't want to spend months learning a system while they're trying to build that system. So that's the first thing. That's one of the reasons that a lot of people quit. It's like, oh my God, I don't have time for all this. And that's just being honest. The second reason is the trial period itself. If I see that there's a lot for me to learn, and I'm just saying, if I were brand new to the industry, I had no experience, I see that there's a lot to learn, that's extremely discouraging. And then I realize, hey, if I quit now before that trial period is up, I'm not spending any money. Guess what? A lot of people are going to quit. And the same problem that I dealt with back then is the same problem that exists now. Now, why do I feel that a lot of people are going to be in trouble with this? Number one, most people are not putting $2,000 into the Power Lead System and upgrading at the highest level, the all-in level. I'm telling you right now, a small percentage of people are doing that because a small percentage of people can actually afford that. It pays out $1,500 commissions. Yes, it says you can get paid $1,500 commissions instantly, paid daily. However, guess what? Again, if people don't keep the product during that trial period, you just lost the $1,500 before it even hit your account. Or at the gold membership level, or whatever level you joined, you know, if you got 10 gold members and 9 of them quit, you end up getting paid on one. And I hope that's really, really clear. The other reason why this could be a big problem, why do you think they're financing this? They're financing the all-in level because they're not getting, and I believe this to be true, they're not getting enough people to go all in. And why is financing a bad idea for a lot of folks? It's because you're borrowing money. You're essentially taking out a loan from, I'm assuming, a third party lender that is going to check your credit, even if it's a soft pull, you know. And what does that mean? That means, yeah, you might be able to pay it off on a month-to-month basis, but you're also paying off the interest on that loan money that you just borrowed. Now, what if this doesn't work? What if you do that? You got to pay this money back regardless. I'm curious to see if you still have to pay it back once you take it out. I'm guessing so, whether you continue with the trial period or not. So if someone takes out a loan, boom, they get $2,000. They invest in the program. They see that there's a whole lot more involved to learning this system. 3 or 4 days later, they decide to drop it. Okay, they dropped it, but they still got to pay back that loan. So I think this is going to be a lot of trouble for a lot of people. Now, what do I recommend? What do I feel you should be doing? So I believe you need something really, really good on the front end. And what I'm going to share with you right now in the next couple of minutes of this video, I think is a perfect opportunity if you want to join the Power Lead system. If you want to promote the Power Lead system, this is going to help you do it. But it's going to do a few things. Number one, even if you get people to sign up in the Power Lead system and they quit, with this particular tool, you're going to make money. And when you do make money, the money is going to stick. All right, so bear with me for a couple of minutes. Again, if you're getting value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is a brand new system. It's known as mailbot. Mailbot is the product, and the system is known as Simple Commissions. This is brand new. I joined this thing probably about 2 weeks ago. And it's an AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Now, I'm just going to share with you why I think this would work perfectly should you choose to get involved with the Power Lead system, or you decide not to and you just want to promote whatever it is that you're currently promoting. There's a 3-minute video in here, an explainer video to walk you through this system. And here's what I like about this. And I'm just going to put out the bullet points. Number one, you instantly get paid $100 over and over, no pass ups, no income drop-offs ever. So think about it. If you're leading with your mailbot, you have the ability to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. Whether it be the Power Lead system, whether it be, ABC company, DEF company, whatever it is that you want, you have the ability to use the mailbot to send out emails and promote your offers you instructed to on your behalf. Now, why is that good? It's good because, number one, you're not losing any money. Second, even if people drop off of being with you in the Power Lead system, if you're promoting this on the front end and they sign up for this, at least you walk away with $100, rather than doing what they're suggesting you do in the Power Lead system, which is buy traffic. And you need to remember that it's strongly suggested and you are encouraged to commit to buying traffic. So if you're buying traffic and you're able to walk away with a few $100 on the front end, at least the traffic that you're buying is not really coming out of your pocket if you lose sales with the Power Lead system, right? And as I mentioned, second thing, it's a great front end AI automation that promotes 3 biz ops of your choice as you instructed to do so. So it's indirectly promoting your offers. Third thing, there's no learning curve. As it's highly intuitive, it takes on average about 10 minutes to completely set up this program. So it's very, very, very newbie friendly. What I'm going to recommend is this. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now. In the description, you'll see how you can get a free demonstration so that you could test Mailbot out. When I started this, I tested it out. It saved me a bunch of time. I don't have to create my own emails anymore. And then the other thing is 100% of the time, and this is based on my own experience, 100% of the time, when I first took a look at it, I sent it a few emails because I wanted to make sure that the thing worked, number one. And every single email that I sent to my sponsor's Mailbot ended up in my Gmail inbox. So knowing that 30 to 40% of online marketers, their emails get lost in the spam or in the junk folder, that's 30 to 40% of money that you could be earning if it just reached their inboxes. So I hope you got something out of this video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. If you want to get your demo right now, go to the description under this video, follow the instructions, get a demo. And thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was really informative.